going to teach 10th class social studies. I think you has completed 3 lessons and now I am going to explain you 4th lesson. The lesson name is Climate of India. Things require textbook and pencil. Okay, open your textbook page number 44. Okay, I am starting the lesson. Please concentrate when I am reading. If you are having any doubts, please comment. Okay, let us start the lesson. Climate of India. See how the climate of India will be, not only in the country, in other countries also it will be changes. Yes, let us take about our country. How the climate will be changes? Day by day it changes, yes or no? Climate changes day by day. Nowadays it is very cold. It's a winter season. Morning time it is very cold. Afternoon time it is little bit hot. Evening again it falls down. Temperature will decreases. Then again in the night time it will be very cool. Like that the climate of conditions will be changes day by day. See, let us see in the summer season how it will be. It will be very hot and it will be little bit sweaty. And in the rainy season continuously the rain will fall. It will be also cool. And let us enter into the lesson. Freak weather offshoot of climate change expert. See how it will be changes. Freak means right there in your textbook the meaning of freak. Anything that happens by chance. Okay, by mistake. By chance it will be happens. And offshoot of climate changes expert. Okay. Intermittent showers in Hyderabad have bewildered meteorological officials, while climate change experts said it is increasingly becoming difficult to predict future weather events in the country. Yes, the climatic conditions will be increases and sometimes decreases. This will be going to happen by chance. The climate weather also changes. Yes, by chance it will be happen. Some issues we can observe in unforeseen situations like, okay, let us see about the changes in the climatic conditions. And we can observe that extreme summer in the country, yes, the summer, how it will be there, very hot. And next, sudden hailstorm in Cheveli region of RR district. RR means Rangareddy district. What happened in that area? Hailstorm, okay, in Chevela region. They have suffered a lot. Clouds burst in Uttarakhand. Yes, clouds also burst in Uttarakhand state. Next, climate and weather. Next topic is climate and weather. Okay. Climate and weather. The state of atmospheric conditions elements. Okay, how it will be changes. Letter C. Okay, I am writing. You also note down. Sunshine, yes or no? Temperature. Atmospheric pressure. Winds, humidity, clouds, precipitation, over an area. See everyone here, climate and weather, how the climate and weather changes. Sunshine, yes, in the morning time the sun shines and it takes the temperature below 20 degrees Celsius, and temperature is also one of the main important point to change the climate and weather conditions. Atmospheric pressure, yes, Morning it will be very cool, afternoon little bit hot. Like that, atmospheric pressure will be also comes under climate and weather change. Winds, humidity, clouds, precipitation over an area at a particular time. Yes, now morning it is very cool and afternoon till the night time changes the climatic conditions. It takes overcome an area at a particular time. It will be takes the own time. And these weather conditions fluctuate very often even in a short period. Okay, it maybe changes the within a fraction of seconds. Yes, climatic conditions also changes. Climate refers to such conditions over a large area and flows a similar general pattern over 30 or more years. Okay, it refers to such conditions that is over of 30 or more than 30 years. Okay, the climatic conditions will changes the 30 to more than 30 years. There will be variations from year to year, but the basic pattern remains the same. Yes, maybe every year the climatic conditions will be changes in summer, in rainy season and in winter season. The particular period of time remains same, pattern remains one and the same. Okay, you know the seasons? I think you all know very well about the seasons. Yes, summer season, rainy season and winter season. These are the three seasons are there and each and everyone know about the season. Okay. Next, elements of weather and climate for a place can be using particular pictures called climographs or climatographs. Okay. Elements of weather and climate for a place can be using pictures called climographs. Climographs. Climographs or climatographs. Okay, these are the main elements in weather and climate and shows average monthly values of maximum temperature, minimum temperature and rainfall for a given place. Okay, it takes maximum temperature and minimum temperature for rainfall. Okay, climographs takes the maximum and minimum temperature to rainfall, how it will be falls. And next topic, factors influencing climate and weather. See how the factors will changes. In Chennai, let us take there is not much differences in the temperature across months. Yes, let us take about the Chennai. Okay, it will be not changes more. Okay, little bit changes will be there, and there is a different temperature in the across the months. Yes, it has different temperature across the month. Okay, in Chennai it has different temperature across the months. Let us take New Delhi. Yes, Delhi or New Delhi. How it will be? Delhi have wide differences. Same. Delhi has wide differences between the temperature across the months. Yes, it takes the everything in the month during the winter season and summer season and the rainy season. All these three seasons it will be changes. And India experience wide variations in temperature. Okay, it has wide experience temperature. Okay, experience wide temperature and it has the different types of variations. Okay, next, northern is bound by the Himalayas, whereas southern peninsula is surrounded by seas. Yes, southern peninsula is surrounded by seas. What are the seas? I think you all know. And that is fully covered with water, seas. Made northern bound. Okay, in the northern bound by the Himalayas, whereas southern peninsula it covered the seas. Okay, water. Three sides it will be covered by water. And some places are far from the vast, they are inland. Okay, some places are far. I think you know the meaning of far. It's a long distance. Some places are at high altitude and others are on the plains. Yes, maybe some high altitude. Okay. Some other are little bit high altitude and others are on the plains. Some other are on the plains. In seas, in altitude changes, in the plains also it will be changes the climatic conditions. And factors that affect climate are called climate controls. These the factors I am going to explain you all. And before going to that, I want to explain about the graph. Page number 45. You all see this? This is a New Delhi, 28.6 degrees north and 77.2 degrees east. It has taken the rainfall in millimeters and including every year, okay, from the month of January to December. January it is very less. February, March, April, May, June, okay, it is 50.0 in the north side. In the July and August month, it reached very high, about 250.0 millimeters. And in the September, little bit got down. October, November, December is very less. You can see this blue in color, how it grows, and red in color which is there. See how it is grows and decreases. Like that, you also see all these pictures carefully. And now, factors influencing climate and weather. Okay, page number 46. It has been observed that for some places, Chennai. Okay, just now I said you about the Chennai and New Delhi. Let us take factors influencing climate and weather. Okay, this is the main factors which we are going to see. Okay, first one is latitude. And the second one is land-water relationship. Land, water, and third one, relief. And fourth one is upper air circulation. Okay, factors influencing climate and weather. First one is latitude, second one is land and water relationship, third one is relief, and fourth one is upper air circulations. Okay, let us see about latitude. Okay, the average temperatures for the year drops as you go further away from the equator. For this reason, we divide the regions on Earth as first one. Okay, let us see how they have divided in three ways. The latitude they are divided in three ways. First one is tropical, second one is polar, and the third one is temperature. Okay, third one is temperature. Latitude has divided into three parts. First one is tropical, second one is polar, and third one is temperature. Here tropical as goes closer to equator. Okay, here this is closer to the equator. I think you all know about the equator very well. I'll draw the diagram of a latitude and equator, how it shows to you all. This is North Pole and this is South Pole. This is Arctic Circle and 66 degrees north. Okay. See, okay, this is influence of climate, latitude of a climate. Okay. First, how the sun rises and the rays will fall on the earth. And towards to the North Pole and this is South Pole. The Tropic of Cancer, this is the Tropic of Cancer and this is Tropic of Capricorn. And this is the equator. It has 0 degrees Celsius. See how it changes. Think this is a globe. Okay. And in this you can observe what and which is under the equator. Just now I said you the tropic and the rays, sun rays will fall on the earth and equators, it touches the equator line. See, the North Pole and the South Pole, it will be lies between the equator. And let us see about land and water in the next class. Till now, once go through the textbook. Okay, homework. Read the lesson 4. Page number 44, 45 and 46. 44, 45, 46 and 47. Once go through the lesson, read carefully, understand well. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.